Oh yeah! Did you make 200 bucks today? If you would have been on the flipping team, I think you would have made 200 bucks today. Check it out. I just added. You remember those Alice in Wonderland blacklight Funkos I told you guys about? Well, they showed up. Added to my Funko scraper, looking for anything with the word blacklight added to the website. Showed up, told everyone, go now. Everyone on the flipping team, now go pick it up. I actually made a magic link so that you can add 2 of each item to your cart and check out. Come on. Pre-orders already selling. These are 15 bucks a piece. What are you doing? Where are you at? We're over here making money. And I actually just posted a new nationwide bolo. I don't know if I can show this. Hold on. I'll show you. You know what I'll do? I'll show you the Keepa. I posted the Keepa graph. Check this out. You buy this in the stores. You go to Walmart and Target right now. Pay $2 to $3. Consumers are freaking out. They cannot find these items, these products. So, get your ass to Walmart. Get your ass to Target. Pick these up and sell them on Amazon for a minimum of at least $50. Come on, where you at? Get hyped! All right, so people are already asking me what the hell a Funko scraper is. Let me show you. So I have software inside the flipping team chat here, that whenever anything with the words blacklight came up on Funko.com, my software, my bots would post to the chat so that everyone can see that these products exist now. So I didn't know, so I couldn't monitor them. I have monitors that will monitor inventory and stock. Like, hopefully this won't show any bolos like right now, hold on. So I'm gonna show you the Walmart monitor. The bot will search for when something goes in stock online. Just like the thing, so let me just show you this. You know, okay, Jurassic World, everyone knows that's popular, whatever. This particular toy went into stock on Walmart.com right now, 2:54 p.m. and let everyone know. And then you can actually sign up for alerts for each item, and it'll DM you, it'll message you each time that it comes up for sale. So you can click it and go in and buy it right away. Oh, one left, someone better pick that up. So the scraper shows me, if I don't know what that link is, it'll tell me. If I don't know what the link is, I can't monitor it. But I can use a scraper to find anything new that ever pops up on Funko.com or any website, any new product with my keywords that'll pop up. And see, I put in blacklight, and it does grab like it does grab random shit like this shirt on July 9th. But I put it so it will find the Alice in Wonderland blacklight Funkos, and it worked. Funko added them at 8:30 in the morning yesterday. We didn't want that shirt, but we wanted these Funkos. And there they were at 8:30. And I tagged everyone and let them know, and then went into the chat. It's gonna show, hold on. It's gonna show old stuff here, and then told everyone a minute later, they better fucking go and buy this and make 200 bucks. So that is what a scraper is. This is next level reselling. We ain't going to the garage sales. We ain't going to the thrift stores. We're having everything shipped to the front door and profit. So actually, so with the monitor, with that other thing that I mentioned earlier, that nationwide bolo, let me show you. It actually popped up. So I'm filming this right now. So here's the, this actually came in stock a couple times today. Let's go over here, show you this. It is almost 3 p.m., July 16th. And the Walmart monitor posted it. Oh, I'm getting a call on my flip phone. Let's go check. What is this? Madness. Who calling me on my flip phone? Who's that? Call this person back. Does opening answer? I think opening answer is it. Ignore. Anyways, so not only can you just drive your ass to Walmart and Target, but you can watch my Walmart monitor right here. You can watch the Walmart monitor and sign up for notifications. I just posted it, so only one person has signed up for notifications on it. But you can sign up for notifications. It'll DM you, it'll message you when this brand new nationwide bolo goes in stock. The one that, here, I'll show you. The one that you could buy for $3. Remember I showed you that one left was in stock? Actually, that was another item, but right there, out of stock right now. But we're watching it for it to come back into stock. So whenever it goes into stock, you race your ass to buy it, have it shipped to your front door, $3, and hold on. Where did I'll bring it up again. I'll show you again. We ain't fucking around. Here, I zoomed it in. Sell for $50. Easy money. Easy money. Come on! Get hyped!